Good morning. Student, we are studying about the linear equation in two variable. Exercise number 3.1. One question was remaining. Last question. The cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found of 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is this. Represent the situation algebraic and graphically. Same question as question number 1 and 2. Now come. Let cost of 1 kg apple X and cost of 1 kg grapes इक्वल टू y. RS लिख लीजिए, RS X and RS Y. Therefore ATQ1 यानी according to question condition of question first, 2 kg apple 1 kg grapes, that means 2x plus y is equal to 160. First equation. And ATQ 2 according to second condition of the question, 4 kg apples 2 kg grapes, 2 kg grapes 2y equal to 300. Your question be converted into algebraic form. Now we represent this equation on the graph paper. So come from equation 1, 2x plus y equal to 60, y equal to 160 minus 2x, data prepared 50, then 60, 60, then 40. Sufficient point. 2 point is sufficient for the sketching of graphical representation. Just like, see here, let this is Cartesian plan. This is Cartesian plan. And let 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now x dash and y dash, 50, 60, 50 and 60. That is 50, 60, 60, 40, so join this line. This is graphical representation of equation number 1. Similarly, you can do as equation number 2. It's your homework, and I hope that you will try to sketch the graphical representation of equation number 2. So your exercise number 3.1 be completed. Now come, graphical method of solution. How can we find the solution of two linear equation by graphical method? Student, you know method of solution. How many method of solution of linear equation? Method of solution of linear equation. There are four methods. Four methods to solve linear equation. One is graphical method. Second is illumination method. Third is substitution method. And fourth is cross multiplication method. These are four methods to solve any linear equation. Now first we will study about the graphical method. How can we solve the linear equation by this method? So come, one thing is more, without scratching graphs, how can you recognize your equation are lines intersect with each other, are parallel, are coincide. I was explained in the some videos कि when we are sketching the graphical representation of linear equation, then three possibility may be occur. One is the line is intersect with each other, second is coincide, and third is parallel. Question is that without sketching, how can we know that lines are intersecting, are parallel, or coincide? So come and try to learn. Let a1x plus b1y c1 equal to 0, b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are any two linear equation. Are any two linear equation. So condition. So first condition, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, that means ratio of the coefficient of x is not equal to the ratio of the coefficient of y, then lines intersecting Second is, if a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. That means coefficient of x, ratio of coefficient of x equal to y equal to constant. Then lines are parallel. And third is, if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. C1 upon C2. Second, coincide. Lines are coincide. They coincide with each other. And if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, then lines are parallel. In the first condition, if lines are intersect, then solution is unique. Second is, if lines are parallel, then number of solution be infinite. If lines are coincide, then number of solution are infinite. If lines are parallel, then no solution. So similarly, by this process, without sketching, you are able to know that given equations has unique solution or infinite solution or no solution. One question is more. Come and try to discuss about the consistent and non-consistent. Consistent and non-consistent. What is this? Student, no. This is the most important article. This is the most important concept for you for your board examination. Two linear equation who has a solution are called consistent linear equation. One time more. Linear equation who has a solution are called consistent linear solution, and linear equation who has no solution are called inconsistent. Inconsistent, you can say inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. In the condition of consistency, two possibility. Equations has unique or infinite solution. In the condition of infinite solution, equations are dependent. Dependent linear equation called dependent linear equation, and dependent linear equation is also consistent linear equation. Means only one that if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. If this condition hold any linear equation, then linear equation is called inconsistent linear equation, and remaining two methods in which equations are called consistent linear equation. Clear? So come on your exercise number 3.2 and try to solve the problem. First question of this exercise we not completed. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution. Graphically, to find their solution, we are required two linear equations, but in the first question, only one equation can be generated, so this question is not completed. But your work is that according to question, you have to convert the word problem into the algebraic and graphically system. Now the second question, student, I stop this because for a long time video be not uploaded, some problem be created. So I stop here and I will continue tomorrow in the next video from exercise number 3.2. Okay, thank you.